Tingelingelingeling. Abonnentenwunsch. Und zwar wünscht sich der Dany Robert Hunselar von mir das Lied Alone Again, Naturally von Gilbert Sullivan. Das Lied ist ein ganz schöner Klopfer. Ich finde es sehr schwer zu spielen und auch schwer zu singen. Aber egal, ich gebe mein Bestes, wie immer. Und ich grüße recht herzlich den Dany. Und jetzt geht es auch schon los mit Alone Again, Naturally. In a little while from now, I'm not feeling any less sore. I promised myself to treat myself and visit the nearby tower and climb to the top to throw myself off in an effort to make it clear to whoever what it's like when you shattered, left standing in the lurch at a church with people saying, my God, that stuff, she stood him up. No point in us remaining. We may as well go home. 'Cause I did on my own, alone again, naturally. To think that only yesterday I would cheer for bright and gay, looking forward to the road was about to play, as if to knock me down. Reality came around, and without so much aftermath, threw me into a little pieces, so leaving me to down. Talking all about God's misery, if it really does exist, why you did desert me in my hour of need. Truly I'm indeed alone again, naturally. It seems to me that there are more hearts broken in the world that can be mended, all left unended. What do we do? What do we do? Alone again, naturally. Looking back over the years, whatever else appears, I remember I cried when my father died, never wishing to hide my tears. And at 65 years old, my mother, God rest her soul, couldn't understand what she only meant. She had developed and taken, I was leaving her to start with a heart so badly broken, despite encouragement from me. No word we ever spoken. When she passed away, I cried all day, alone again, naturally. Alone again, naturally. Alone again, naturally. Jo, okay, also da bin ich jetzt einigermaßen durchgekommen. Hier und da ein paar kleine Ratzerlein, aber egal. Ich hoffe, es gefällt euch. Bis dann. Tschüss.